I made a mini battle with Gemini against vidIQ. Which one is best for auto title, tags, and video description? So if we made a video and we didn't bother making the title, we didn't bother making tags or the description, and we want to use the AI tools to do that, then I did it, and I'll show you the results, because it's kind of like annoying when you upload a video, then you need to come up with a title, a description, and tags. Some people might say that you should come up with this before you made the video. But like, if we didn't do that, or for one reason or another, then in Gemini we need to take the video. So we take the entire video, we drag it into Gemini, and then we need to feed Gemini with a prompt. So in this case, I asked it, I want you to help with a description, title, and tags for the video in Danish and in English, because I have two versions. So we're just going to focus on the English results, and then it actually just gives us a title, description, and tags. So in the English version I have here, so it comes with two options. It comes with the video title 1, option A, subtitles tutorial, option B. So one is like for SEO, search engine optimization, and the other one is for clickbait, you can say. And then we have vidIQ. So vidIQ comes up with some suggestions for a title. So I do like the vidIQ more because it's focusing on subtitles. That is what I would search for. So I would not search for captions. Maybe it's something with the Danish language. But so I think that is better. But maybe actually it's me that's the problem. So I made the video based on captions instead of subtitles. So should I actually have made the video on how to create subtitles, not how to create captions. So we can't really blame Gemini on this. It's actually like a problem with me. So I made another video where I talk a little bit more about we can actually use Gemini to get feedback on the videos too. When we look at the description, then I do like the description from Gemini. It's like, stop wasting hours typing subtitles manually. In this video, I'll show you how to use the AI caption feature in DaVinci Resolve to generate subtitles from audio in seconds. So it sounds pretty cool. And then it has some timestamps. Then the vidIQ result was, in this video, we will show you how to generate auto captions using DaVinci Resolve powerful AI tools. Learn the simple process to create subtitles for YouTube. In this case, I do prefer the vidIQ thing because it's better for SEO. I do like the bottom part of the timestamp thing made by Gemini, so it's much better to have it do it automatically than I have to figure it out. With tags, then I don't know who the winner is. So Gemini creates some tags in the beginning. vidIQ comes up with like Insta360 X3, DJI Mic 2. That's not what the video is about, so it doesn't work. But after we've put in the title and the description, then you can update the vidIQ, and then it gives you better options, and then it can rank the Gemini thing. I think in conclusion, then I think if I only had to pay for one of these two, I would use the Gemini one. I think it's better because I can use it for other stuff too. But that's basically it. So I just compared the two things. I have a playlist with more Gemini videos up here if you want to watch it. And I'll subscribe to the channel. If you like the video, give it a like. If you don't like it, give it a dislike. What do you think with the comparison between the two things? Are there a clear winner, or would you use vidIQ instead of the Google one? I'm Palle. Thanks for watching. Have a wonderful day. Bye.